most challenging part of our life or the phase of our life is adulting, right? When we have so much energy, so much ideas, and all, and we are mostly misunderstood by everybody. At times, even with our friends, because uh, if you are talking about a creative idea, somebody would just say ki like, "Arey kya bakwas kar raha hai yaar, band kar." So, those kind of thing happens. Tell me, this particular character, how the character has evolved from the first season to the new one, and also what are the point that you kind of very relate with?
First of all, when we talk about energy of our generation, you are the prime example of that energy. You are making me sound very dull right now. So I will try and match up to your energy level. Um, Secondly, I don't feel our generation is all about कि स्यापे ही स्यापे हो रहे हैं या प्रॉब्लम ही प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. But the show talks about कि जो प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है किन्हीं किन्हीं की लाइफ में, उनको how like social media की वजह से how things can get complicated, how we all have uh, either it's us or we have someone in the group जिसकी ऑफिस में कुछ टेंशन चल रहा है या पर्सनल लाइफ में कुछ टेंशन चल रहा है या पेरेंट्स थोड़े नोजी हैं तो so we talk
पेरेंट्स
about
थोड़े ने हमेशा नोजी होते हैं.
नहीं
सॉरी, हाँ.
नहीं यार मेरे मेरे पेरेंट्स ठीक हैं नोजी नहीं है तो आई थिंक या आई एम ब्लेस्ड और या आई डोंट नो या आपके पेरेंट्स थोड़े ज़्यादा टफ हैं but from season 1 to season 2 if you're asking me how it's evolved
Yes.
the complications have gone uh, many degrees higher पहले उसकी लाइफ में issues थे of course all these issues were there but
Yeah.
the level have you seen season 1
हाँ.
अच्छा so
हाँ,
yeah
but then I cannot like very elaborately talk about everything because we also want them to like kind of watch it, probably binge watch or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, don't worry. I'm very, very well aware of that. I'm not going to give away anything.
हाँ.
But season one में we spoke about his problems. Season two में the problems they stay, but then the degree of the problem it's much, much higher.
Hmm.
So वही personal, professional, sexual life में issues हैं, but then uh, वो बड़े हैं issues and how he deals with those issues.
हाँ.
That's,
There's this one dialogue in which one of his friends is saying he like सोशल मीडिया पे तूने तो मुझे मतलब काइंड ऑफ तू आगे बढ़ गया, मैं पीछे आ गया, एंड नाउ look at me like I'm your boss, right? So those kind of things that is happening, and that is again kind of giving him a different level of those sense of insecurity and little more this thing altogether, right? What I was thinking is that when you started your journey as an actor, when you came to this city called Mumbai, and when you were cast in a film, and that film was super hit film, right? Super hit in terms of like really well appreciated film. We are talking about Uran, we all know that. And then from there till now, you know that there are so many actors who are back then were like literally struggling, and probably these days they are kind of much talked about actor and all of that. Was there any moment in your life when that you heard that dialogue and it kind of crossed your mind as well that पता है ये ना मेरे साथ हुआ है?
So first of all, that Devdutt is the actor you're talking about. So
हाँ.
उसका वो dialogue है and insecurity is very in terms of Tarun and between that character, they definitely have that vibe going on of कि Twitter following तुम्हारी थी, but then मैं तो बहुत पहले से था, still you overshadowed me and today I'm your boss. So he has that arrogance for him. But like how in the show, Tarun is not someone who would literally like he's never even given a thought about something like that कि कौन पहले आया कौन बाद में आया. So when you're asking me in my personal life how after Udan if there was an actor जो today he's doing or she's doing much better, I've personally never given that a thought. I don't come from a background or an upbringing where the competition is always when it comes to work the competition is always healthy. that I want to make this project look good. I want to make myself look good and the other actor look good. When it comes to games, when it comes to sports, yes, I can be very competitive कि अरे वो तो अभी खेलना शुरू किया है, वो कैसे अच्छा शॉट मार रहा है. I can definitely do that when I'm playing badminton, but never when it comes to acting. I think acting is a profession I really, really respect and I love. So when it comes to that competition or कौन कितना कर रहा है अच्छा, I always believe in one thing कि if someone is at some point in his or her life, they definitely have done something right to be where they are. So it never bothered me ever.
Tell me, when coming back to the show, when the first season is like so successful, and that's why the second season is happening. Uh, as the main protagonist of the story, does that put you a little more uh, under pressure, or do you feel the responsibility of that?
No, I think it's the other way around. I think it takes away the pressure because आपने character building के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है season 1 के लिए. You found your character, you found your calling for the character. So if that has been appreciated and well received, I think that takes away half your pressure. कि आपको पता है लोगों को वो character अच्छा लगा
पसंद
जो
है.
आपने create किया. So now second season you can just be the same with in terms of the character and just I think just stay true to the script. So I think that takes away the pressure I feel because I don't work in terms of making कि अब मैंने season 2 किया है तो that has to be an equal success or a bigger success. I don't think of the numbers or anything like that. I think of कि अच्छा करना है and then जैसा भी होगा we'll see how it goes. So वो I don't take that pressure कि इसको और बड़ा success बनाना है.
What are the mess up probably in your teenage that you have done that probably kind of taught you the some of the greatest lesson that you still hold very strongly in your mind?
I think one of the worst thing I had when I was little was short temper. I was very short tempered. So मुझे गुस्सा इतना जल्दी आता था and that's never a good thing. Being short tempered is the worst thing because you are very in that moment you are so angry that you end up doing things you don't want to. So जब मैं छोटा था तो मैं गुस्से में बहुत चीजें करता था. रिमोट टीवी पे फेंक दिया और मैं आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉट लाइक इन माय टीनेज इवन बिफोर दैट मैं बहुत छोटा था तब ये करता था एंड लाइक आई वुड हिट माय एल्डर ब्रदर आई वुड हिट माय एल्डर सिस्टर कि मुझे जब छोटा था कुछ समझ नहीं आता था तो मैं उनको मार देता था. अगर बहुत गुस्सा आ गया है तो बालकनी वी वर इन दिल्ली आई ग्रू अप इन दिल्ली बचपन में. सो बालकनी से कूद के सेकंड फ्लोर से फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे कूद गया वहां से ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे कूद गया एंड भाग गया कि अब मैं नहीं आऊंगा घर रात को आऊंगा. आई हैव डन स्टफ लाइक दैट. आई थिंक it's definitely not right to be short tempered and or get angry. So that's why in my growing up years now I've learned and I've really done a good job with that I don't get angry that easily. I would get angry but then it'll be for a valid reason. Otherwise I'm not like I always try and keep my calm and always not like कि अंदर से गुस्सा है and बाहर I'm calm. I always try and stay calm even अंदर से कि I don't let things affect me that easily.
अभी गुस्सा किस चीज पे आता है?
लोग प्लास्टिक यूज करते हैं तो मुझे गुस्सा से ज्यादा मुझे आता है कि अरे यार मतलब every day we read about these things, we hear so much about कि single use plastic is not good and आप अभी भी गाड़ी आप you have a car जो आपकी 70 लाख की 1 करोड़ की गाड़ी है, you are in a Mercedes, a BMW and you roll down your window and throw a bottle of water like you know things like that they really piss me off, they really piss me off. So अभी मुझे इन चीजों पे गुस्सा आता है.
Last year I remember you said it like very you had a very strong voice on that, and to an extent I was agreeing with what you were saying. It was a debate about nepotism and whatever you said, and very specifically you said that, right, कि अगर ये इंडस्ट्री और सब कुछ वेलकमिंग नहीं होता तो आज मैं यहाँ पे नहीं होता, and that's the truth, right? I mean वो I mean, we understand the existence of it, but we also know that there is another way to achieve the success, right? I want to know this. Do you think, because we use social media so much and it is all about posting one thing and comment based on that, बातों का बतंगड़ जिस तरीके से बन जाता है, do you think that we are kind of somewhere, social media is becoming actually way more toxic than the fun it used to be?
I think social media has always been gray. It always was, and I think it will be. And social media, that's why it's that's the platform. That's what is all about. There are people from all around the world with different beliefs, different ideologies. They want to put their opinions out. And life में ऐसा नहीं होता कि किसी एक चीज का same opinion हो सबके लिए. So if we talk about anything, you're talking about nepotism, or if you talk about Rajat Barmecha, you talk about Tarun Prabhu, anyone, not everyone is going to like anything 100%. So कुछ लोग होंगे जिनको जो सहमत होंगे बात से, कुछ people would be against something. So I think both of social media, you can never take that away from social media. It will always exist. There'll be.
You see, there is a difference, Rajat. What I'm saying is there is a difference between being critical. आपने कुछ लिखा या कुछ एक तस्वीर डाली या फिर कुछ भी की है और वो उसको मुझे अगर ना पसंद है तो मैं बोलूंगी कि वो मुझे है नहीं पसंद, वो अलग बात है. There's a difference between being critical about something or expressing your opinion on that and being toxic, bullying, humiliating, commenting on something without being accountable.
Yeah.
So do you, that's why I was asking that, do you think that the space, because it's a free space, it is becoming more of that, especially whatever happened in 2020?
It's not becoming more
that we have seen like last year.
Yeah, it's not becoming more of that, but that also exists. In no way I would say that is right. It is not, but then that exists. The percentage is very little. We have more good people, and also social media is a platform. It is a place where you attract more of what you see and what you give your energies to, literally. So if I search something, I will obviously see those kind of stuff. So I think if there is a person or there is an account or there's something which is toxic, stop following that person or that account. I think you take that power away from that person as soon as you unfollow them. Because if you are seeing a particular video कि अरे कितना गंदा है कितना गंदा है कितना गंदा है, but अब अगर 50 लाख लोग उसको देख रहे हैं, वो उस वीडियो का मकसद is a hit.
पूरा हो गया.
It becomes viral. So the simple solution, if you don't like that, is just don't indulge in it. Don't appreciate them. Don't comment on them, because that is giving them power.
Hey, it was really lovely talking to you, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Same
Wish you all the
here.
best.
Same
Thank
here.
you.
All the best. Thank you.